Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the best beauty products out there. Today, we're exploring a classic in the beauty world, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Full-Size Lip Kit. If you're a fan of stunning, long-lasting lip looks, this set promises to be a game changer. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. This lip kit includes 3 key products: the Matte Revolution Lipstick, the Collagen Lip Bath Gloss, and the lip liner, all in the iconic Pillow Talk shade. The idea behind this set is to give you everything you need for a complete lip look, from defining your lips to adding that perfect glossy finish. The Pillow Talk shade has been loved by many for its universally flattering nude pink tone that complements a variety of skin tones. Starting with the Matte Revolution Lipstick, this product is all about delivering that plush, matte finish while keeping your lips comfortable. It promises a blend of hydration and matte texture, unlike some matte lipsticks that can feel drying. It's designed to enhance your natural lip color, giving you that soft, pillow-like finish. It's definitely a shade that works for day-to-day wear or a more glamorous evening look. The Collagen Lip Bath Gloss takes things up a notch by adding a glossy, high-shine finish. This gloss doesn't just deliver shine, though. It's packed with skincare ingredients that give your lips a nourishing boost. The texture is smooth and not sticky, which makes it a pleasant addition on top of the lipstick or even worn alone for a more subtle look. The sheer nude pink hue complements the matte lipstick well, giving you that well-rounded, plumped-up lip effect. Now let's talk about the lip liner. This is where you get that precision to define, resize, and reshape your lips for a fuller, more sculpted look. It has a creamy, smooth formula that glides on easily, and the color is a perfect match for the lipstick and gloss. This liner does a great job of creating the illusion of fuller lips without overlining in an exaggerated way. It's the perfect complement to the other products, giving your lips that picture-perfect finish. Now onto how it performs in real-world usage. I wore the full kit throughout the day to test its longevity, and I have to say, I was impressed. The lipstick stayed matte and comfortable for hours without drying out my lips, which can sometimes be an issue with matte formulas. The gloss added that touch of shine, but it wasn't so sticky that it made me self-conscious throughout the day. The lip liner did a great job of keeping everything in place, even after eating and drinking. I did find that the gloss needed a touch-up after a few hours, but the lipstick and liner stayed put well beyond that. When it comes to pros, this set delivers on all fronts. The Matte Revolution lipstick is smooth and hydrating while providing a beautiful matte finish. The Collagen Lip Bath Gloss isn't just a pretty shine, it's hydrating too. The lip liner does its job of defining and making your lips look fuller. The quality of each product stands out, and the fact that everything is designed to complement each other makes it a dream to apply. Plus, the shade itself is incredibly versatile, working for a variety of looks and occasions. However, no product is perfect. The price point is something to consider. Charlotte Tilbury is a luxury brand, and this set comes with that premium price tag. While the quality is there, it may not be the best option for those on a tighter budget. Also, while the gloss adds shine and moisture, some people might prefer a more opaque gloss or something with more lasting power throughout the day. For some, this could feel like a bit of a drawback, especially if you prefer glosses that last longer without reapplication. Now, let's talk value for money. Considering the brand's reputation for high-quality products and the inclusion of all 3 essential lip products in one kit, the price is fairly justified, especially for those who appreciate luxury beauty items. However, if you're just looking for a basic lip set, there are definitely more budget-friendly options that can deliver a similar color payoff and comfort. When compared to similar products on the market, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk set stands out in terms of overall quality. Other brands may offer similar shades, but the combination of the matte lipstick, gloss, and liner working together as a cohesive kit is what makes this set special. For those seeking that signature Pillow Talk shade with a high-end feel, this is a standout. However, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, brands like MAC or even drugstore options could give you a similar shade, but without the luxury experience. In terms of build quality, Charlotte Tilbury never disappoints, The packaging is sleek and elegant, which adds to the luxury feel of the product. The formulas themselves are well crafted and perform well, with each product designed to complement the others seamlessly. I haven't had this long enough to comment on longevity in terms of wear over several months, but based on initial impressions, it feels like a set built to last, with high-quality ingredients and construction. If you have any concerns with customer support, rest assured that Charlotte Tilbury has a strong reputation in the beauty world for responsive and helpful service, although I haven't personally had to reach out to them for this product. Wrapping things up, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Full-Size Lip Kit is a luxurious, high-quality set that delivers on its promises. It's perfect for those who love the Pillow Talk shade and want a complete, premium lip experience. While it might be a little too pricey for some, the set's quality and ease of use make it worth considering if you're looking to invest in a luxurious lip routine. If this review helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this set or have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You can also find the link to purchase in the description box. Until next time, keep your lips looking fabulous with Beautyistic.